Good morning, class 12. Let's start. Today we are going to discuss about optical isomerism or enantiomerism. So the definition is when same molecular formula represents two or more compounds which has same physical and chemical properties, but they differ in the action towards plain polarized light, then those compounds are called optical isomers or enantiomers, and the phenomenon is optical isomerism or enantiomerism. Okay, now when we talk about the type of the optical isomers, we have two types. First one, D isomer, and this one is L isomer. D isomers are those that rotates a plane polarized light to the right, and L isomers are those which rotates a plane polarized light to the left. D, the full form, is basically dextrorotatory, and L, full form, is levorotatory. Now we need to remember one thing: when an equimolar mixture of D and L forms are taken, the resultant is a reciproc mixture, okay, with a net rotation equals to 0. For a compound to be optically active, its mirror image has to be non-superimposable and it should not contain a plane of symmetry. So if I talk about square planar complexes does not exhibit optical isomerism because it contains a plane of symmetry always. So it never shows optical isomerism. And when I talk about tetrahedral complexes, in case of tetrahedral complexes, though they exhibit optical isomerism, but it is very rare in their cases. So we shall mainly study about the optical isomerism in octahedral complexes. So first type under optical isomerism in case of octahedral complex, NAA2X2, where M is the metal, AA represents symmetrical bidentate ligand, X is a monodentate ligand, whether anionic or neutral. Example, cobalt, En whole twice Cl2. Overall charge positive. Okay. Now, we have studied about this compound in your geometrical isomerism. This particular compound has cis form and trans form. Now, we always need to remember, in case of optical isomerism, it is a cis form which shows optical isomerism. Trans forms never shows optical isomerism because due to the presence of the plane of symmetry. Okay, so we are going to draw the cis form. This is the cis form, and this one, both are the cis form. One is my D form and another will be my L form. This is D form, this is L form. Either you can write this as L form and this as D form. Okay, so it's basically the cis isomers which exhibits optical isomerism and not the trans form. Okay, next type is M AA A2B2. Example, cobalt En NH3 whole twice Cl2. Overall charge positive. Now this particular compound has two cis forms and two trans forms. So trans form we shall not consider. Now since it has two cis forms, so overall we are going to get 4 optical isomers. So this is one of the cis form. This is the D form, this is the L form. Okay. Next cis form. Next cis form is this one. Overall charge positive. This is D form, this is L form. Okay. The last type MAA3. MAA3, M is the metal, AA is the symmetrical bidentate ligand. Example is COEN whole thrice, overall 3 positive. So it's cis form. So this is your D form, this is your L form. Okay, that's it, class 12. Thank you.